Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. Today we're going to learn about setting up posting groups. So the posting groups map entities to general managed accounts. Example of entities are customer, vendor, item, resources, or sales or purchase documents. Posting groups save time and help avoid mistakes when you're posting transactions. So the transaction values go to the account specified in the posting group for that particular entity. The only requirement is that you have a chart of accounts. So let's learn how to work with posting groups. So there are three major posting groups covered under obviously this umbrella by Business Central. So general, specific, and tax. In general posting groups, you have general business posting group. You can go to Tell Me option and you can select that, and you can see general posting groups, and you can click it there. That's set up as general posting group. Second one is general product posting group. So you can you can search for that, and you can see what are the general product posting groups. And the third one is general posting setups. Obviously, it's a different thing that comes under general posting groups as well. So if you go to Tell Me option, you can enter general posting setup. That'll show you the general posting setup. What is that for? So we're going to learn slowly one by one all of that. Just introducing all of these posting groups at the moment. So the next one is we got specific posting group. We got 4 or 5 of them in that. So first one, it comes as customer posting group. You can do that, and you can obviously open a customer posting group. Second one is vendor posting group. You can go back and show Tell Me option and go vendor posting group, and you can click that as well. These just make sure that comes under specific posting group. The third one is inventory posting group. You can go to the same Tell Me option, inventory posting group, and you will see the inventory posting group. I don't know why I'm saying investing. Apart from these three, we got bank account posting groups as well. So you go to bank account posting group, and then you can click there. You'll see the bank account posting group as well. It relates to all the banking side as well. And then the fifth one is specific posting group is a fixed asset posting group. FE posting group. So you can see the fixed assets as well. So all of these are fixed assets like vehicle and everything. Sorry about my phone. So the third major posting group is called tax posting group. If you go to the Tell Me option and search for tax business posting group, let me just go back. You can come under VAT product posting group as well. So this is how it works with posting groups. You got loads of posting groups, and then predefined one, and you got subcategories, and then obviously you can search it for that as well and work with posting groups. So this was just an introduction of posting groups. So in next videos we're going to learn about all these posting groups and cover the exam structure of MB800 by the posting groups. Thanks for watching.